try to write my story, but I rewrite it. Every page is mine to turn, every chapter